Let's discuss today about ERP system for food and beverage industry. The two most successful factors of this industry are product quality and keeping up with the customer trends. Leveraging technology and automating processes can help the food market to improve its operations and achieve remarkable growth. Experts estimate that India's food and beverage sector is likely to skyrocket with an impressive CAGR of 11.19% and reach $79.65 billion by 2028. Let's see some of the prominent challenges of this sector. Traceability is a major concern as it can directly disrupt the supply chain operation, exposing the company and the consumers to risks. Compliance is becoming increasingly challenging due to stricter food industry regulations, intricate supply chains, and heightened consumer scrutiny. Without a robust online presence, it is tough for businesses to survive in this competitive landscape. Food contamination, cross-contamination, and quality control continue to remain as serious threats impacting the supply chain. Let's see how ERP can be leveraged for the FAN business. Optimize inventory levels, reduce waste and minimize shortages. ERP software ensures visibility, monitoring, and proper application of materials, products, and procedures, with automated audits for quality control. Streamline the supply chain process by automating procurement, order processing, and vendor management. With ERP's advanced traceability system, all the business activities will be transparent, achieve greater efficiency and visibility in the supply chain system. Reporting and forecasting tools help in eliminating risks, identify trends and make informed decisions beneficial for the business. Implement Sage X3 to achieve maximum efficiency, meet regulatory requirements at ease and boost profitability. Take the right step for your business. Connect with us.